Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add follow button on Facebook Reels. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on your name. Then you need to click on three dots. Once you are on that screen you simply need to click on follow settings, and from here you need to select who can follow you, follow me, public, who can see your follower on your timeline. So make sure that all these settings are set to the public like I am doing. Okay, once you done that you simply need to go back and click on turn on professional mode. Click on turn on. So wait for few seconds, and once your professional mode is turned on you can add so basically follow button will be automatically added in all your Facebook videos that you post on Facebook as reels. So this is the process, and I hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.